Hello, today I'll share a recipe for delicious yeast donuts. They look pretty, taste great, and are wonderfully soft and delicious on the inside. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. You can find the same list in the description below the video. I've also added a link to my blog where you'll find all my recipes. Crumble 30 grams of fresh yeast into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 125 milliliters of warm milk. Mix everything together, then set aside to rise for about 10 to 15 minutes, preferably in a warm place. Pour half a kilogram of wheat flour into the bowl of a stand mixer. Add a pinch of salt, 3 egg yolks, 125 milliliters of warm milk, a tablespoon of vinegar or spirits, the risen yeast, and start kneading the dough. You can knead the dough in a stand mixer or by hand. I'll also add 2 more tablespoons of sugar and I start kneading the dough, and when the ingredients are combined, I'll add another 65 grams of melted, and with cooled butter, knead it all for a few minutes until the dough is uniform and elastic. If necessary, you can sprinkle the dough with flour. I didn't add any more. Mine came out perfect. It was soft and didn't stick to my hands. So I let it rise until it doubled in size. Best for about 60 to 90 minutes. The dough rose beautifully. We can knead it on the counter for a bit. Then we're going to divide the dough into 16 more or less equal parts. You can also weigh them. They'll be about 45 to 50 grams each. Flatten each piece of dough in your hands, then make a hole in the middle. I did so using a small spoon. You can do it with your finger, just by putting it inside. That's how we shape our donuts. Let them rise for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then fry them in hot oil at 175 degrees for about 2 minutes on each side until they reach a golden color. Then I remove them and place them on a paper towel to eliminate any excess oil. Once they're ready, you can sprinkle them with sugar, powdered sugar, or glaze. Our donuts are done. Make sure you prepare them at home. Leave a comment if you've made these donuts before. And of course, I invite you to watch my other videos. You can find all recipes on my blog. Thank you, goodbye, and enjoy your meal.